Alright, so you're probably down in your basement too, trying to get a stuck hot water nipple off your water heater to no avail like I was doing all morning. So like me, you probably suspect that your hot water heater has a broken dip tube, which I'm pretty sure mine does because it's not keeping temperature. And so go to take my dip tube out, and luckily at least I have these. I'm no plumber, but these are a lot better than having to cut and solder pipe. However, the nipple that comes off of the water heater conveniently does not have a hex head on it. It's just thread. So genius design move there. So of course, first thing I tried was just getting some, like old pipe wrench. Doesn't work. Then I tried the ever popular vice grip method. If you do that, you want to run down and get a, well, this for mine was about a 5/8 bolt to stick in the nipple so you don't collapse it, which I started noticing I was. And I'm sure my wife is going to have something to say about my Google search results, searching nipple collapse syndrome, so I tried that. That didn't work. You can probably guess what the threads on the nipple look like now. So went on YouTube, of course, that's what you do, and found a couple guys who had a pretty brilliant maneuver, but it didn't show the results because apparently it failed. But in the comment section, it said it worked with the cheater bar, not the impact wrench. So what you do, this is assuming you're a little handy, drill a hole through the nipple, both sides, so it goes through the diameter as best you can. Then go down to the hardware store and find a bushing in the plumbing section that'll fit over the nipple. Drill a hole through that. Make sure to drill it so that it's not too high up, or else it won't actually fit over and through. And then you need a piece of metal that, where did that go? Got all my tools down here. Ah, there it is. This is I'm a carpenter, this is my 16 penny nail set. It's also just a punch. So drill the holes to that diameter. Doesn't quite go through, so. So those will lock those two together. Now go to the hardware or the automotive section. Get yourself a socket. It's gonna fit on that bushing. If you don't already have one, don't use your 1/2 inch. Get a 3/4 socket bar. And there you go. And I tried everything. I thought I was going to have to use a cheater bar, but this is the only thing that worked for me. So as you can see, it turns. I had to strap my water heater for the first part a little bit to my house. It's just so that I could kind of leverage against it, because you're using so much torque that you're just going to, twist your water heater. But voila, it turns. So there you go. Hope that helps.